Okay, I want to ask you a question right now. Okay, how did you think we were able to get a coin, AIBB, that gave us over 1,000%? Okay, in about 2 to 3 months. How did you think we were able to get it? Now, if you have been part of the crypto niche community on Telegram, on WhatsApp, you knew that we had the conversation and analysis, fundamental analysis and technical of this coin way back in 2023. Okay, and this coin performed really, really well. 10x straight up. Now, how did you think I was to get it? Okay, I'm asking, how do you think I was able to get it? All right, it's because I used a platform like this. Okay, so it's a very powerful platform. Okay, and you can actually make money by tracking events. Yeah, it's as simple as it is that straightforward. You can make money. Yeah, money, cash, dollars, pounds. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. You can make money in case you know what you don't know what money is. You can make money by tracking events, basically. Right. Now, if you have an information ahead of time, like the projects you're going to be listing on Binance, the next, maybe they are just on DEX. I mean, when I say DEX, they're only on Uniswap, on BabySwap, PikinSwap, BabaSwap, OmoSwap. I don't know. Okay, maybe they're on those platforms, and it's a new project, right? You've done your analysis and everything looks cool, and you have an information that this guy, based on all of the events that has been listed here, we have an information that they are going to be listed by, let me say in the next 6 months. Okay, it is part of things they have on their roadmap. And you think that this guy is oversold at the moment. Okay, you've done your analysis technically and otherwise. All right, what do? You buy. You buy, right? Why? Because you have an information that puts you ahead of over 70% of the investors, or even over 90% of the investors. So you stay ahead of those who don't have access to this platform, those who are not taking advantage of events. All right. So you don't make money on this platform simply by looking at these current events. Right. You make money for the platform by looking at events that will happen way, way, way beyond this time. Okay. You see it now. Okay, that will happen way, 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 like in a very long time from now. Let me go to page 5, for instance, to page 5. Then from page 5, I can go to like page 7. Okay, like page 7. From page 7, I can go to like page 10. I'm just give you an example, please. Okay, like page 10. So from page 10, I can go to like page 11. As far back as June, July. Look at that. Okay, page 13. You see that? Okay, as far back as which quarter is that? Q2, end of Q2 of this year. All right, I'll begin to search, I'll begin to look for it. So as a trained eyes, a trained mind, when you see an opportunity, you will know it. Trust me. Sometimes I could spend several hours searching and searching and researching. I would not find anything. Okay, and some other time, okay, I will search. It could take me several hours truly, but I will still be able to find something. Okay, I'll say, oh yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, I either bookmark it, I double down research on it. Okay, that is how I'm able to say, oh guys, I'm buying this, I'm buying that. You get it now? So now I've given you part of my secrets. Go and use it. Okay, I don't want a long video this time around. Go and use it. Subscribe for more right now. Okay, share with your friends. Like the video. Okay, if you get some value right now, make a comment down below to ask me intelligent and practical questions. I'll be there to answer you. I'm always online, guys. Okay, so ask questions. I'll be there to help you out. Don't just subscribe. Make sure that the notification is turned on. Very important. Okay, turn it on so that when I go live teaching, okay, or I upload the content or a video like this, you are definitely going to be notified about it. Okay, so also join the Telegram community. Okay, there's a link down below. Join that community. It's very important for you in this industry.